Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an issue with your Bluetooth removal process where you are unable to remove your Bluetooth device from your computer. Let's fix it guys. First go to search menu and type services. Click on open it guys. In services you just need to search for the Bluetooth service listed over here guys. There are three services listed over here. If the service are not running, you just need to double click on it and startup type set to manual and select start it guys and select OK. And Bluetooth user support service that is not started, then you just need to start it guys. Startup type manual and start it and select apply and OK. And after starting this service, Bluetooth support service is now already started, then you just need to right click on it and select restart it guys and select yes. After restarting this service, that means you need to see there are three services in Bluetooth guys. If any service was not running, you just need to double click on it and run it guys. If three of it running, then you just need to do the three for same everything. You just need to restart it guys, and after doing this close it off here. And now you just need to go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Click on open it, click on other troubleshooters, select the Bluetooth troubleshoot to run guys. Follow the on-screen instruction. Hopefully your problem will be solved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.